Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's meditation, we will be exploring our inner beauty, uncovering what it means to embody the beauty that lives within us. This meditation will bring beauty into a new light, into the true heart of the matter. To begin, I invite you to come into a comfortable seated position, either on the floor, a bench, or in a straight back chair. Wherever you find yourself, take a moment to straighten the back naturally, allowing the shoulders to fall gently. If the shoulders are hunched forward, see if you might pull them back softly to open the chest. Close your eyes when you are ready, and begin to settle here through simple breath awareness. Each time the breath flows into the lungs, imagine it nourishing each cell of your radiant being. As the breath leaves your body, feel yourself sinking a little bit further into stillness. Inhale once again, filling yourself with the breath's energy. And as you exhale, feel a deep peace pervading you. Continue to breathe slowly and mindfully as you draw your attention to the heart space. With each breath that you take, witness the heart expanding with love on each inhalation and softening into peace and acceptance on each exhalation. Take a few moments of silence to witness this expansion and softening of the heart. With each breath noticed in this way, the mind softens and we come into contact with deeper inner truth. If or when thoughts arise, simply direct them down to the heart space, returning to the peace and beauty of this simple moment. What is beauty, and where does it reside? Khalil Gibran put it wonderfully when he wrote, "Beauty is not in the face, beauty is a light in the heart." Our modern world has masked this truth by redefining beauty to be skin deep. With continual messaging that sells us the idea of beauty living on the surface, we often forget or ignore the beauty that is inherently within us. Though this modern world offers narrowly defined ideas of what it means to be beautiful, none of these can be deeply true as they are ever-changing. A beauty standard that exists in 1 year or 1 decade often fails to apply to the following one. This instability and unreliability of our beauty standards prove that they cannot measure up to what Gibran points to in his eloquent words. Beauty rests in the heart, in our capacity to love ourselves and to love those around us. This love expresses itself in various ways, but no matter how it shows itself, beauty exists in all that is kind, loving, and true. So take a moment to return to the space in the center of your chest, to your wonderful and radiant heart. Allow your heart to expand with each inhalation, growing in love for both yourself and for others. And as you exhale, gently release your attachment to any limited definitions of beauty you might carry. If emotions arise during this process, know that this is entirely natural. It can be challenging to look at the ways we have denied ourselves the experience of knowing our true inner beauty. Continue to breathe through the heart, feeling into the love that exists there. Now, silently repeat the following words as you allow them to touch your deepest level of knowing. I am worthy of love from both myself and others. I love and accept myself exactly as I am. True beauty lives within me. Take a deep breath in, all the way to the base of your belly. And as you exhale, let all thoughts gently dissipate. Allow a soft smile to touch the corners of your mouth, beaming inwards at your acknowledgement of this deeper truth about beauty. Beauty is not in our clothes, in our complexion, or anything else that resides on the surface. True beauty comes from within. Anytime you require this reminder, gently soften the mind as you tune into the heart, as you delve into the heart of what truly matters in life. Now take one more full breath in and out. With eyes remaining closed for just one more moment, tune into your presence in this room. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes to the world around you. I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you again.